Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, September 2nd. And we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. And as we are prone to say, what's traded before, what's happened before, affects what happens next. This isn't rocket science, folks. We said in last night's video, just like the previous day, when the market got too long, they got out of their longs, an H, and then the shorts piled in. The next day, they come right back and cover for losses. Well, basically the same thing so far this morning. Market got too long up here. Now, they had single prints yesterday, so I wasn't sure if they were going to give this all up. But once they did, because the range was small, not only did the longs give it up, shorts piled in K, L, M, and N. And what's happened since then? Overnight, covering. This morning, covering. So here's the real question we have to ask ourselves. Is the market truly long this morning? Right? This is all context. Or is this just shorts covering? That remains to be seen. Everybody's going to say the market's long this morning. They're looking for an inventory adjustment. Well, if this is just short covering, maybe the market really isn't long. Now, I'm not saying there's not FOMO buying and innovators trying to bid this up again. But keep that in mind as far as the context. Russell didn't even fill their single prints. Double distribution day. Right now, again, there's 75 minutes to go, but right now, top of yesterday's range. Triple Q, same as us. They were 10 for 10 wide. 10 for 10 wide before the longs gave it up and the shorts piled in. And now, they're trying to get the shorts to cover. We both went out with price probes right now, early, but right now being firmly rejected. As far as destinations, I'm just going to give you the overnights. I gave everything last night. Right now, the overnight high in SPY is 452.87. And the overnight low, now this is, I had 451.70. I'm seeing 450 on some other systems. I don't know if that's right, so I'll find out what ES's overnight low is. And I'll probably be using that this morning. As far as the game plan, not much has changed in the bigger picture. All three time frames are up. We made a new high in regular trading hours yesterday. We still have the overnight high as our all-time high. Triple Qs and NQ got theirs yesterday. We're trading right where change had possibly taken place, right above A period. So let's see what transpires this morning. If we push up against yesterday's high and can't get it, again, I'll take a short play against that. I'll be out against it because then odds of going and get the overnight all-time high would be very good. On the flip side, if some of this market is long from pure longs overnight and they give it up, we'll see what kind of reaction we get if we get anywhere near value low. Again, I don't want to be involved in the middle here. There's nothing going on. Now, as important as this was yesterday, the inside day up, to me, that's not a factor anymore. That's over. It's not an inside week or inside month. It's an inside day. That becomes a non-event now. So yesterday's profile is a lot more important to me. We were 8 wide. I like 9, but odds off, if we do get any kind of inventory adjustment, we should trade at that. You don't really want to get accepted into M because we know the history of M period is the days following as we might trade the whole thing. So right now, not a lot as far as solid plays that I would look for. Again, maybe a short against the high because they like to front run it. But again, we'll see if they take out the overnight high right away. That might even go out the window. So it might be a day for some patience. The volume's been horrible. Now, we do have non-farm payrolls tomorrow, but remember, it's a holiday weekend coming up. A lot of people, you might have action tomorrow morning also, a little bit, but then that's it. And then next week also, as summer comes, vacation starts winding down. So to that end, the market can continue to grind higher. And then just quickly on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily. Nothing can change in the bigger picture until the daily changes. Well, the only way the daily changes for bears is to take out yesterday's low and to come into balance. If they can't do that, we're up in all three time frames and the grind continues. Good luck trading today. Have a great day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.